Comparing quantities. This is our next chapter. So we know we start comparison for everything. Like here, Hina height is 150 centimeter and Amir height is 75. So 150 upon 75, this is 2. So it means Amir is half height of Hina, or we can say Hina is double height of Amir. In our daily life, there are many occasions when we compare two quantities. Suppose we are comparing height of Hina and Amit, we find that Amir's height is half of Hina's height. Now, speed of cheetah 120 km per hour, speed of man 20 km per hour. So, for comparison, we divide. In class 6 also, we did this type of question. Then ratio. Find the ratio of 3 km to 300. So, what we do? 3 upon 300. So, convert 3 km into meter. Next is equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratio. Equality of two ratios are called equivalent ratio. For example, 3 by 5 or 3 twos are 6 upon 5 twos are 10. Then 3 threes are 9 upon 3 fives are 15. 4 threes are 12 upon 4 fives are 20. I am multiplying by same number in numerator and denominator. So this is 3 by 5. This is 6. 3 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15. 4 threes are 12, 4 fives are 20. So 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. Same number is coming. So we will say that 3 by 5, 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20 are equivalent ratio. They are also called equivalent fraction. Since we are doing ratio, so we will say equivalent ratio. 3 upon 5, we will write 3 ratio 5. 6 ratio 10. 9 ratio 15. 12 ratio 20. They are equivalent fraction, they are equivalent ratio. So 3 upon 5, 3 ratio 5 is equal to 6 ratio 10. Now here 2 ratios are equal, we say they are proportion. So if out of 4 if 1 is missing, we can find. For let us example, x ratio 5 is equal to 6 ratio 10. So we can find x here. How? This upon this, x upon 5 is equal to 6 upon 10. So this is x is equal to 5 into 6 upon 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So x is equal to 3. Similarly, same question I am taking. 3 ratio x is equal to 6 ratio 10. Now x will be 5. Answer. So how? 3 upon x is equal to 6 upon 10. Then we do cross multiplication. 3 into 10. When we have equal to sign, we do cross multiplication. Because if you see here, 10 into 3, 30 is equal to 5 6 are 30. Same here, 6 into 15, 90 is equal to 9 into 10, 90. Similarly, 9 into 20 is equal to 12 into 15. So we will use this property here. 3 into 10 is equal to 6 into x. Then divide by 6 here, divide by 6 here. 6 cancel. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 2 ones are 2 fives are 10. So x is equal to 5. X is 5. Now next, let us take this is not known. Third, children, with the help of these questions, you will be able to do all sums. Then 3 upon 5 is equal to x upon 10. Then cross multiply. 3 upon 5 into 10 is equal to x. 5 ones are 5 twos are x is equal to 6. Now last part, 3 is to 5 is equal to 6 is to x. 3 upon 5 is equal to 6 upon x. Cross multiplication. 3 into x equal to 5 into 6 upon 3 upon 3. This is cancelled. 3 ones are 3 twos are. X is equal to 5 twos are 10. So we got the answer. Now here you read this all. These are examples. Then exercise 8.1. Find the ratios. So today you try these questions. Find the ratio of 5 to 50 paisa. 5 upon 50. Here and write in lowest term. 12 kg upon 210 gram. So 15 kg, convert kg into gram. Then like 15 kg upon 210 gram. 210 gram. So first of all, convert 15,000 gram upon 210 gram. For unit, for ratio we don't have unit. Gram will cancel. 0 cancel. Then 3 fives are 15. 0. 3 sevens are 21. Then 500 ratio 7 is the answer. Children, then percentage. Now you check in your mobile how much battery is there. It is given in percentage. If battery is 50%, we will say half. If 100%, it means it is fully charged. 10% बहुत कम है. 25% means 1/4 है. जब अपने रिजल्ट मिलता है, हमको अपने मार्क्स मिलते हैं, तो हम परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करना शुरू कर देते हैं. Now these are two friends. They are studying in different schools. Anita's report card, out of 400, she is having 320 marks, and Rita, out of 360, she got 300 marks. So here 60 marks are less for 100%, and here also here 80 marks are less. So comparison is, in this case, subtraction comparison is difficult, because marks are from 400 and here from 360. So what we do here, in this case, we calculate percentage. And for percentage, anything, if we have 4 upon 5 and we want to convert into percentage, simply we multiply by 100. Like 4 upon 5 into 100%. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 0, 4 twos are, this is 80%. And if 80% is given and we want to remove percentage, so simply we divide by 100. 0 cancel, 2 4s are 2 5s are 4 upon 5. So you remember these two things. If for adding percentage, we multiply by 100. For removing percentage, we divide by 100. So here, Anita got 320 out of 400. Anita got 320 out of 400. And her friend Rita got 300 out of 360. So for comparison, who performed better, we will calculate percentage. And as I told you that for percentage, simply we multiply by 100 and write this sign. Multiply by 100 and write this sign. Now write in simplest form. This is 20, 20 cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32, 0. तो अनीता got 80% marks, मतलब 100 में से 80 नंबर. Now here 1 0 cancel. 6 6s are 36, 6 5s are 10, 6 5s are 30, 0. Then 2 3s are 6, 2 25s are 250 upon 3. So 250 upon 3%. Now convert this into decimal. 250 upon 3, 3 8s are 24, 1 0, 3 3s are 9, 1.0, 3 3s are 9, 1 0, 3 3 3 आता जाएगा. इस 83.333333 they will never end. We say these numbers are non-terminating term and we write as 83.3 बार. ये 3 नंबर बार बार आ रहा है ना, याद रखने के लिए इसको हम यहाँ लगाते थे 8.3 बार. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि नंबर कभी एंड नहीं होगा. और दिस नंबर विल रिपीट. जिसके ऊपर ये लाइन बनी हुई है, बार बना है, इसका मतलब वो नंबर रिपीट होगा. तो शी गॉट, जनरली हम लोग लिखते हैं 83.3%. सो हु परफॉर्म बेटर? रीता परफॉर्म बेटर. नाउ सी दिस example. In our NCERT book it is clear. So number like this is a Reena made a tabletop of 100 different colored tiles. Like you see children, in this tablecloth I have tiles. These are tiles. है ना? तो same imagine. Reena made a tabletop of 100 different colored tiles. She counted yellow, green, red and blue tiles separately and filled the table below. Can you help her complete the table? ठीक है. कलर्स येलो कलर के नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स 14 हैं, ग्रीन के 26 टाइल्स हैं, रेड के 35 टाइल्स हैं, ब्लू के 25 टाइल्स हैं. सबको ऐड करने पे टोटल 100 टाइल्स आ रहे हैं. यहाँ पर 100 टाइल्स गिवन भी है. रेट पर 100 मतलब 14 है कितने में? 100 में. 14 अपॉन 100. 26 टाइल्स हैं 100 में. 35 टाइल्स हैं 35 अपॉन 100. 25 upon 100. In case of 100, when denominator is 100, it is very easy to calculate percentage. सिंपली हमको 14% लिख देना है, क्योंकि हमने बताया था अभी कि हम परसेंटेज के लिए हम इंटू 100 करते हैं. तो हम इंटू 100 करेंगे, 100 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 14 आ जाएगा. इसमें इंटू 100 करेंगे, 100 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 26 आ जाएगा. सो हेयर इट इज़ ईजी. इफ डिनोमिनेटर इज़ 100, दिस 14%. तो येलो टाइल्स कितने हैं? 14%. ग्रीन टाइल्स हैं 26%. रेड टाइल्स हैं 35%. ब्लू टाइल्स हैं 25%. Similarly children, today you try these questions and I'll give more questions from class 6th. So you revise that so that you can do next thing. Thank you.